From the Bob Mills Weather Center, the Oklahoma weather expert, Alan Crone.
All right, neighbors, 47 after the hour. Flat out windy weather today. A sunshine cloud mix. At times more clouds than sun. A high near 80. Strong south winds 20 to 45 miles per hour. And then we have a chance for shower storms. A small window this morning near north of us. And then it's later this evening. We have a chance for a couple of thunderstorms developing. Those would be supercells if they do. But we have the layer of warm air aloft, the cap in place for most of today. That's going to limit or suppress most, but probably not all storms. Overnight, now that's different. Overnight, that's a cold front approaching. Along and behind that front, the thermal property of the atmosphere changes, cap erodes, showers and storms develop. So there will be some showers and storms. But the ones we're really watching for would be ahead of the dry line late this afternoon, early evening. Now, this is obviously well ahead of everything. This morning, we have a couple of showers and storms that'll try to bubble up across the far northern areas. So we can't rule out, really, I can't totally rule out one in Tulsa in the next several hours, but it looks like most of this will be right along the Oklahoma-Kansas state line area moving northbound. So that's a low probability in the metro this morning. Now, between the 3, 4, and 5 o'clock hour, we have a very low chance for a storm trying to develop west of us. Between the 6 o'clock time period and midnight, notice this probability. I mean, it's still pretty low, but it's starting to come up a little bit. If storms develop, severe threats are likely during this time period. All modes of severe weather would be a possibility. Around the midnight hour, between midnight and about 3 o'clock, that's the cold front approaching. And then we'll have a line of showers and storms near and behind that. Typically, when that starts to happen, the severe weather threat goes to mostly some wind and some hail. But in this zone that you see, especially that zone that's elevated there between the metro I-44 out to the northwest, all modes of severe weather would be a possibility. That means large hail damage winds. You can't rule out tornadoes, but the layer of warm air aloft may limit the number of storms off of the dry line. Then Saturday, 1 a.m., 6 a.m., basically, as the cold front drops south, showers and storms will be likely near and behind it, and then it'll sweep on out of here, and it will bring us a good weekend. So 75 at noon, gusty winds, high today near 80, and then we track that storm chance through the evening hours. 69 right now, south wind at 26, dew points at 56. Temperatures are mostly into the, in fact, we should all be into the 60s here, so we're moving on. Here's the future view. Those showers and storms developing this morning move out. The dry line is going to be west of 35. Highs today, upper 70s and lower 80s. Now, watch along the dry line. All right, watch along the dry line. A couple of storms will try to develop. If those do develop, and again, this is not in every model data that we look at here, but if those storms do develop, those are going to be supercells and severe. They'll move eastbound, and then the cold front catches up, and the cold front moves into the area around the midnight 1 a.m. time period, and there's going to be a line of showers and storms attempting to develop. That's the higher probability you see on the map. And then tomorrow, sunshine 79. Sunday looks great, a high of 80. Late Sunday night into early Monday, the front that pushes into the area tonight moves back over as Monday's warm front. That'll bring more showers and storms. Some of those could be severe. We do it all over again Wednesday. It's springtime in Oklahoma, Jonathan. I mean, this is not unusual, but we encourage you to remain aware of your weather surroundings tonight.